Going on a trip. Yeah, I'm uploading this to YouTube, so.
Okay, I will too. Just give me a minute.
We're going on a trail in our favorite rocket ship. This really isn't a trail if it's paved road.
There's a bug biting on me, it hurts. You know what it is? Oh, that ugly bug. Alright. Hey, and I have to make my YouTube intro. Because I actually have a YouTube channel, so. Hey guys, go follow me. I am Lakuze, I am vlogging. It's supposed to be Lakuze Apple and vlogging, but it doesn't work. Wait, how are you posting? I can't.
No, I just make a video on my
and
actual
post
camera and post when I get internet.
Oh. So much more sense. Okay. There's a lot of ugly bugs out here that are biting me.
These flowers are really ugly.
Hey everyone, it's Apple Vlogging, and today we are on a little trail, and there's ugly bugs that keep on biting me. And if you know it's not a mosquito, and that's my friend. Go follow her. Her YouTube channel's name is.
I forgot.
Okay, well.
We'll just post it in the description.
Yeah. So yeah, go follow her. I'm Apple Vlogging. Me. And what smells that good? Okay, well. Normally there's bunnies out here. I want to see bunnies.
Oh my god! I think I'm going to be scared.
Bunnies! Give me some bunnies! Yo, I need to make it around outside. Ready? Bunnies! I like bunnies.
I'm gonna eat you, bunnies!
No, don't eat the bunnies.
Just kidding. I love bunnies. They're so cute. Cuddly.
You can't even see your face.
Oh.
Okay, well, this is my friend Autumn. Yeah.
Take down suckers.
See, now, here's the actual trail part. Oh my gosh, a good bug.
Finally, we get to the nature part.
Yeah, right. Okay, guys, so I'm like really happy, but yet really upset because I'm happy because it's summer. I'm upset because I don't have to go to school. But I don't get to go to school. I might be the only one.
School is awesome.
Yeah, my school's like legit. Like mostly like every month, kinda, there is a fun Friday. They stay after school. They have awesome legit parties. And now I'm also upset because I'm going into middle school.
Yeah, let's go to middle school.
But bug went in my nose. A bug just went in my nose.
I hate when that happens.
Ah! It's out, I think. I hope. Dude,
It's
that
out,
looks
I
like
think.
a little
I
man,
hope.
kinda. I don't know why, but from back there more, it looks like a little man. But yeah. So we're just on a little trail. We're going turn that way. I think. Hang on.
Well, wouldn't that just take us right back to where we were?
Yeah. That way only leads like up to a dead end. So I know where I'm going. I've been here before. So yeah.
Trust the tourist guide.
There's a bug that keeps going down my ear, and it's like really bugging me. So it's really hard to hold this because I have an iPad mini. So that was new. Oh, that one's new.
Wow, they had different colored wood.
It's because it's new. Okay, I think a deer slept there before. Oh my gosh! Bugs keep going by my ears, and I am not enjoying it.
So far, we've been on this trail for 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Or at least that's how long I've been recording this.
4 minutes and 30 seconds.
L-O-V-E.
We are over there at that park. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. Oh wait, yeah, you can. Okay.
I think they can see it.
Yeah, we're over there.
Comment if you're able to see the park or not. Yeah, I think you can.
Dude, I found like this little black bug on me, and it was like, hang on. It was like right here on my thing, my elbow thing. That freaking hurt. Man, that hurt. Spin around. Oh god, that was a video. Like that.
I'm so dizzy now.
I'm sure that no one is watching yours. Well, I have maybe like 5 people watching mine. My channel is not very big. It's like maybe that big. So, help me out.
I probably have like at least like 25 videos.
No, you do. Really?
Yeah.
You do? On YouTube?
Yeah.
Do you have any subscribers?
A couple.
I have one. That's my stepsister. We're back at the park, guys, so we're going. Well, you want to keep recording? I am.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna keep recording.
Oh, so just go. Just the magic. Just the magic. Just the magic.
This is
This girl right here, that one, she's like, not my entire bestie, my actual bestie is Zoe, but, man, oh, ow, that hurt.
Oh, gee. Guys, I'm gonna end it here. Follow, like, subscribe. You know the deal. Bye.